Hey guys, and welcome to today's Fab in 5. I apologize, I've been so inconsistent with these videos, but I am getting back into my routine after the holidays. Today we are going to be doing a quick review of the new Porefessional Lite primer. So this is supposed to be an ultra lightweight, breathable, water-based face primer that blurs and refines the look of pores while ensuring a long-lasting even makeup application. So basically, it is supposed to be the original Porefessional, but without silicone. And I know that is the biggest complaint about that primer. It's silicone based. So I thought, let's give it a shot, see if it compares in terms of the smoothing effects. And if it's silicone free, it's even better. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to my one half of my face, and we're going to see the difference. Okay, so I'm gonna get real up close. We got pores and acne here, so this isn't gonna be the prettiest picture, but this is real, no filter or anything. So you can really see the effects. It feels super lightweight, and actually almost, because it's water-based, I think it has that kind of water feel, like gel kind of a feeling on the skin. It almost feels cooling and refreshing, which I really like. It feels much nicer than the original. So from what I can see, it's actually quite similar to the Porefessional, like the original, I mean. There are some really large pores here that it hasn't minimized, but overall, when you look at one side to the next, it is significant how it has minimized. And actually, something I like to do with my pore minimizing primers is take a tiny bit more, and in this area right here, just really push it into the skin. Like, I'm not rubbing, I'm just kind of pressing it. And I find that it's like spot priming. So yeah, no, after doing that, I feel like some of my pores are just unminimizable, you know? But definitely a significant difference. Just even the texture in my skin is minimized. So I'm really happy. I think it's very comparable to the original in terms of application. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my face, and then we'll see how it looks after foundation and being set. Now that I've applied foundation, I did do some cream contour, concealer, and then I set it down. I'm really liking it so far. I would say it's very comparable to the Porefessional. It's maybe like ever so slightly less minimizing, but if you are looking for a pore minimizing primer that is silicone free, I think that it does a really good job. It still has that kind of like silicone-y consistency, but it's water-based. So I really like that. I think it does do a good job at smoothing out the skin. And I think that it does, make the foundation apply nice and smooth. It sets down really nice. So I'm really impressed so far, but we will see how my makeup holds up with this primer, so I will be back to let you guys know my final opinion. Hey guys, so it is 12 hours since I applied my Porefessional primer, the light primer, and I'm honestly really liking it. I feel like the shine has been pretty controlled for the most part for being 12 hours. Now, I did wear a foundation that does hold up well, but it's still 12 hours. So the fact that there's no breaking down, it's just a shine. I like that. And I feel like this area is maybe a little more accentuated, which is typical for, like, once your kind of oils poke through, kind of the makeup starts to sink into your pores a little bit more, but it's actually not that bad. So overall, I'm impressed. Is it like life-changing? No, I feel like it's maybe, it's about the same as the Porefessional, maybe a little bit less smoothing and blurring of the pores, but it's really close, especially being silicone free. So I would definitely recommend this primer, especially if you're somebody who really doesn't like to include silicone in their makeup. I really do enjoy this. I would repurchase it, would recommend it if you're interested. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed and found this video helpful. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.